If your Bhim Pay app shows payment pending or transaction processing, it means the payment request has already been initiated from your bank account, but the final confirmation has not yet been completed between the sender bank UPI network and the receiver or bill payment service. In this condition, the transaction stays in an intermediate stage where the amount may be temporarily debited or blocked from your account, but the receiver, such as BSNL or any merchant, has not yet received successful payment confirmation. This situation commonly occurs due to technical or network related reasons such as temporary server downtime of the sender bank, for example SBI, delay from the receiver's bank or bill payment gateway, heavy traffic on the UPI network managed by NPCI, maintenance activity during late night or early morning settlement hours, or internet interruption while the payment was being processed. Sometimes the merchant server takes extra time to verify and accept the payment request, which also causes the pending status to appear even though the transaction has already started. During this period, it is very important not to make the payment again immediately, because the first transaction may still be completed successfully and making another payment can lead to double deduction. In most cases, pending UPI transactions are automatically resolved within a few minutes to a few hours, but depending on interbank settlement cycles, it may take up to 24 hours and in rare situations up to 48 hours according to RBI and UPI dispute resolution timelines. You should regularly check the transaction status inside the BHM app by opening transaction history and refreshing the payment details. The payment becomes successful and the bill is paid automatically. The transaction fails and the deducted amount is automatically refunded to your bank account without manual request, or the payment continues processing until settlement is completed. If the transaction still shows pending after 24 hours, you should use the raise complaint or report issue option available in the BHM application and provide the transaction ID for tracking. You may also contact your bank's customer support for escalation if required. It is important to understand that UPI payments are monitored within a regulated banking system, so money does not disappear permanently. The system will either complete the payment or return the amount back to your account automatically. Therefore, staying patient and avoiding repeated payment attempts is the safest and correct action whenever a BHM UPI payment shows a pending or processing status.